Welkom in George in Cornwall. Daar is ons gesê ons moet na die People's Dispensary for Sick Animals kom. Wel, net soos jy weet ons nie waaroor dit gaan nie en ons het nuuskierig geraak en wil graag kom kyk wat die mense hier doen. So, kom saam met my. Boetie gaan nou geskeer word en voorberei word vir sy operasie. Hy klaar sy medisyne in om kalm te maak en reeds is daar medisyne ingegee wat vir teen die pyn gaan beklei. So alles is reg. Boetie is reg, hy gaan net niks voel nie. Moira, we're sitting here in your office at the People's Dispensary for Sick Animals. What exactly do you do here?
The People's Dispensary for Sick Animals, PDSA, is a welfare veterinary organisation. So we offer a welfare veterinary service to people that can't afford private vets. It used to be just for the less fortunate people, but you know, with the economy and people losing jobs, etc., you know, it's now that sort of group that we used to help is extended further. So it's students, pensioners, people that are unemployed, and just generally people that can't afford private vets, you know, for their animals. We don't get any government subsidy, so we rely entirely on our own fundraising events, bequests, and obviously contributions and donations from the public.
If anybody wants to get in contact with you or want to get involved,
Right.
where do they contact you?
Well, they can contact me. I'm Moira Gibbs. I'm the administrator of the PDSA. They can call me on the landline. It's 044 875 8300. Or alternatively on my cell phone, 082 296 5051. Or they can email us, pdsagrj@mweb.co.za.
Moira, do you have a charity shop and where can we go to have a look there?
Right, we do have a charity shop. Our charity shop is our lifesaver because the funds that we raise there you know, help to pay for people that can't pay for their animals when they come here. So it's situated at number 3 Wellington Street. It's just next to Fine Design Interiors, if I can give you that as a landmark. It's open daily from 9 until 4:30. And it's run by an awesome group of volunteers. What I would do without them, I don't know. They are absolutely awesome. So yeah, any donations can be dropped off there. Books, clothes, toys, kitchenware, CDs, DVDs, little knickknacks, anything, linen can be dropped off there. Or alternatively, you know, if you have something that you'd like to donate, you're more than welcome to contact me, and you know, I can collect as well.
Nou, ek staan in 'n behoorlike toegeruste teater. Niks word afgeskeep nie. En al is dit 'n teater vir welsynsgevalle en mense wat nie regtig dit kan bekostig nie. Niks word hier ontsien om jou hondjie die beste aandag te gee wat hy nodig het nie. Alles is gesteriliseer. Alles is reg. Ons mag aan niks vat wat groen is nie. Dit is soos 'n regte teater. En ons gaan sien hoe word daar gewerk om jou hondjie die aandag te gee wat hy nodig het. Elke ouer van 'n hondjie is maar altyd bekommerd as jy weet jou hondjie gaan in vir 'n operasie, al is dit nou net om reggemaak te word. Maar hierso by People's Dispensary for Sick Animals kan jy met jou geruste hart jou hondjie afgee of jou katjie afgee om die operasie te laat doen. Hulle is sag met die hondjies, hulle is, soos die Engels sê, gentle. Boetie kry nou sy narkose. Boetie Bouter tel terug van 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, biltong. Volgende stap is, gaan hy geskeer word en dan oor na die operasietafel toe. Boetie is ook so uit soos 'n kers. Boetie is nou in die recovery room, die operasie is verby en nou word hy bietjie roompies en salfies opgesmeer. Hy kry die pamperlang werk wat hy verdien deur hierdie mense wat absoluut nie bo-gemiddeld is. Human stays human, and when you get to dogs, especially dogs that are hurt, how do you as a person handle that?
I think you cope because you know you can help, and that's the nice thing about welfare. I feel sometimes in private practice one's hands are a little bit tied according to the finances of the client, what you can and can't do to help. The nice thing in welfare is we know we can help. The dog is in pain. I am going to manage its pain. I can't do a lot of extensive tests, which is where we get stuck, but to an extent we can help. And you know, if the guy has, I mean, ideally, if they can pay a little bit, it helps obviously to keep the doors open. But you know, if he has 80 Rand, we work with 80 Rand and we can help, and that's what makes it so rewarding and so nice. You know, yes, the dog is in pain, but we have the tools, the people, the expertise to be able to help. So it's actually not nice to see them in pain, but nice to know we can help.
Hierdie TV is ook so pas klaar. Sy is ook gesteriliseer en hulle het ongelukkig net een narkose masjien om al hierdie operasies uit te voer op diere wat dit regtig nodig het. As jy daar kan help, of met fondse of wat ook al, om nog van hierdie masjiene, narkose masjiene en wat hulle ook al nodig het, te kan gee, kontak hulle gerus. Want die werk wat hulle hier doen, is iets wat nie in boeke opgeteken kan word nie. Dis 'n liefdeswerk. Hierdie is die spesiale mense, die engele wat tussen ons woon hier in George. Die mense wat nie name het nie, die mense wat nie gesigte het nie, die mense wat ons gewoonlik nie sien nie, die mense wat liefdesdade doen, wat uit hulle hart uitkom, om diere te help wie se ouers nie die geld het om hulle te kan help nie. Dis die mense wat dit hemel op aarde maak vir die diere hier in George en vir hulle ouers. Die engele op hemel op aarde.